How's it going? My name is Shahab. I'm a design engineer here at CSI. So a part that we're going to look at today is a base valve that we're working on. As you can see here, I've got it all modeled up. Checked clearances and tolerances on everything. Once I have something designed here in CAD, the next step is to make a drawing so that the machine shop knows what to make. Here's a finalized print here. Has all the dimensions, critical tolerances, things like that. All the information needed so that when we actually machine the part, we end up with a part that's good and able to fit in the shop. So once the model and the print are finalized, the next step is to give it to the machine shop and they'll take it from there.
Well, I get the solid model from Shahab and then I throw some tool paths to it. Then I set it up, I think I have 10 different tools in here running this. It runs all day by itself. I check randomly. Bar feeder puts new bars in. Every 10 minutes we get a new base valve that comes out.